Hey, fourth grade. Alrighty, it is, what day is it? It is Tuesday. Sorry. You know, I record these things a little early and I forget what day of the week it's supposed to be. All right, it is Tuesday. It is the 19th, and today we are doing the last lesson of Chapter 7. All right? This lesson today is a little difficult, and we're only going to have time for one example. So I really need you, all boys and girls, everyone out there, to make sure that you are paying very close attention to this problem today. Okay, now of course you can always come back, but I really want you to be mindful of the process I'm using as I'm going through this problem. Okay, all right, so 7.10 is dealing with multi-step fraction problems. Multi-step means we're going to have to do more than one thing to figure this out. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. It says a gift shop sells walnuts in 3/4 pound bags. LB is the short for pound. I know it's weird, but I promise it is. Anne will buy some bags of walnuts and then she will repackage them into 1 pound bags. What is the least number of 3/4 pound bags Anne can buy if she wants to fill each 1 pound bag without leftovers? Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and underline the question that we need to be answering, which is this. What is the least number of 3/4 pound bags she could buy if she wants to fill each 1 pound bag without leftovers? Okay, so that means she's not just going to fill one 1 pound bag and throw the rest away. No, she doesn't want any leftovers. Okay, so we know that she buys them in increments of 3/4, but she's going to repackage them into 1 pound bags. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw some fraction circles to help us visualize this problem. Okay? All right. So we have got, here is the bag of walnuts that Anne is buying to start with. Okay? 3/4 of a pound. All right. So here is one bag that she has bought. This represents 3/4. All right, now, we know that she's going to have to buy at least 2 to even be able to fill this one up, right? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a second circle to represent buying another bag of the walnuts. All right, I'm again going to break it into fourths. And here's what I'm going to do. I am going, sorry, I got a mint in my mouth. Hi guys, being real with you. Okay. I'm going to change colors and I'm going to shade in to represent the second bag of walnuts. Okay. So here is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay. Have we filled up another bag yet? No, we have not. So I'm going to have to purchase, or Anne is going to have to purchase another bag of walnuts. So here is a third bag of walnuts, okay, that she has purchased. I'm going to go ahead and switch pen colors again, and we're going to shade in the 3/4 from the third bag. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, now we have 2 full 1 pound bags, but she doesn't want any leftovers, remember? So we're going to have to purchase another bag, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get another color. What do I want? Let's go with red, okay? Or we'll go blue. All right, so now we're purchasing a 4th bag of walnuts, and we're going to shade in the 3/4 that represent that bag. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my circle over here just in case I need it. All righty. I'm going to shade in 3/4 because remember, each walnut bag has 3/4 a pound in it. 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Okay. Now let's look at this. I drew another circle just in case, but do we have any left over? No, we don't. So I don't even need this extra. So let's count our colors and see how many bags she had to buy. She had to buy 1, so that represents 3/4. Purple represents our second color, so then there's 3/4. Now let me go ahead and do this in the colors. We've got 3/4 plus our second bag plus, then we've got the orange, the third bag, plus the fourth bag. All righty, and as you can see, that gave us the 3 full 1-pound bags. So let's go ahead and we see visually how it works, but let's go ahead and work it out numerically to see how that answer works as well. So we're going to go ahead and add these up. Now remember, when we're adding fractions, we only add the what? Right, we only add the numerators. And as long as our denominator is the same, we can add them all together. So our denominator is the same here, so I'm going to go ahead and add up all of my numerators. 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. Plus 3 more is 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 more is 10, 11, 12. So 12, and then my numerator would stay, very good, a 4. Okay, so 12/4. What kind of fraction is this? Oh, I heard someone say it. Very good. It is an improper fraction. Improper because our numerator is greater than our denominator. So what do we do with improper fractions? We make them what? Yeah, we make them glad. And remember, when we make them glad, the first step is to go divide. So we're going to divide our numerator by our denominator. Okay? So 4 divided by 12, 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12, and we have no remainder. So 12/4 is the same thing as 3, which means she would need to buy 3 bags. Is that how many we figured out when we drew our fraction circles? Yes, it is. All righty. So here is it visually, and here is why it works. All right, guys. So like I said, this lesson can be tricky. It can be a little lengthy when you're trying to figure out the problems, but as long as you take your time and you look at the information carefully and figure out what the question is actually wanting you to figure out, you can do it. All right? All righty, guys, that is it for today. I know this one's a little tricky, so I just want you to do the best that you can on your assignment for today. You will have some review work tomorrow, and then you will have your Chapter 7 review on Thursday and your Chapter 7 test on Friday. So make sure you're taking some time to kind of go back over the last couple of weeks and rewatch those videos from the lessons so that you can have the freshest information in your brain for your test on Friday. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you on Monday for a brand new lesson